Well, do you want to find a career that's in high demand? How about nursing? Up next, we take you to an affordable college that can help get you there. Believe it or not, Edison State College is celebrating 49 years of higher education in Southwest Florida. Edison State College is the primary educator of nurses, firefighters, EMS workers, and public safety officers in our area. Chances are when you need help with an emergency, the person you call for help is an Edison grad. Joining us this morning is Dr. Mary Lewis. She is the Director of Nursing at Edison State College. Good morning, Dr. Mary.
Good morning, Carla.
A lot of good things happening at Edison State College. The healthcare programs, there's a ton of them, a ton to offer to our community. Tell us a little bit about them.
We do have 9 nursing programs, including a brand new RN to BSN program. This will be our second year offering that program. And we have associate degree programs. We have 9 associate degree programs from respiratory care, cardiovascular technology, and our newest program is human services. And we have a brand new cardiopulmonary baccalaureate program starting this fall also.
What's great about this is where the jobs are, correct?
This is where the jobs are, and Edison has an excellent reputation in all of the health programs that we have so far. And as you said, we work here in the community and we take care of patients here in the community. So if you're in the hospital, you probably will be taken care of by one of our grads. So we want to do the best we can. We are the 13th largest nursing program in the United States, and we have above average pass rates for licensure in the state and in the country.
Let's talk about this new nursing program, this new building that is now complete, and this really new state-of-the-art training place that you guys have. Tell us a little bit about that.
This is really exciting, and it's brand new. It's really the only place in the country that has anything like this at all. We have the second floor of our building is a simulated hospital. When you go up there, you'll see a nurse's station, and we do welcome people to come and look through. We'll be having a grand opening in November. There'll be a nurse's station and rooms for patients with call lights and the oxygen and the
how many beds you were telling me?
We have 18 beds. We have a real operating room. We have real intensive care rooms, and we have a mannequin that delivers a baby from 6 to 20 minutes after the onset of labor. So this will be great for nursing students to get real practice.
Yeah, real hands-on training that, again, in a field that is so in high demand right now.
In high demand. If we continue graduating the number of nursing students that we do right now, in about 4 years we're going to need about 500,000 nurses. Because of the retirements that we're expecting, especially as the economy changes. So we've got to consider different ways to educate nurses, to get them in the field and get them working and get them ready to become even mid-level providers like nurse practitioners.
Let's talk a little bit about the economy too, and has it had an impact on your graduates? Are these people finding jobs?
It has impact in many different directions. Our applicant pool for the nursing and all programs has really increased. People whose spouses have lost their jobs are coming to healthcare to get a job. People who've lost jobs themselves are looking to nursing or other healthcare careers to get a job. So our applicant pool is much greater. And they get through the programs, when they're looking for a job, they're having to look a little bit harder. Our graduates are all getting hired within 6 months, and most of them in our community right here. But it's just taking a little bit longer, and they may not get their first choice of job in the beginning, but they will be able to earn a great living as a healthcare provider and a professional in any of those areas.
Yeah, there are certain people that are looking for jobs that take a lot longer than 6 months, so this is definitely promising. There is still time to go ahead and sign up for fall, right?
School starts August 23rd, so we still have a week and a half or so to go, yes.
Yep. All right. And then what would you do if someone is interested in starting a career in healthcare? What do they need to do to start at Edison State College?
They need to register at Edison. It would be great to start out with advising, to go visit advising, or look on the website www.edison.edu and look at all the healthcare programs that are available. We have programs from opticianry through nursing, associate degree, through baccalaureate programs. We even have a new nursing assistant program out in LaBelle.
Okay, yeah, because you guys have several campuses as well.
Yeah.
Something else I wanted to mention too that we were talking about is that one of the new programs that it deals with addiction. Addiction services, and how that is so needed in our community right now, unfortunately, but it is.
It's called Human Services. It's an associate degree program of Human Services. Somebody that's interested in working with as a social worker or a counselor would start out in this associate degree level. The community came to Edison and said, we've got a problem in our community with not having enough support for addictions or mental distress or mental problems or emotional issues. And so we put this program together. We have too many deaths in the community from methadone overdose, cocaine overdose, those kinds of things. Addiction is a terrible thing. Florida ranks second in the United States for deaths from overdose.
That's heartbreaking.
It is heartbreaking. We know that we need to help people in the community. So we've started a new program. It starts this fall, and it's called Human Services. And we start with, the students could take the courses at their own pace. They learn about self-esteem development, counseling, interactions between individuals, how to handle crises. And when they're done with our program, they'll be able to get a job in human services somewhere in some counseling area, inpatient or outpatient. So there's a lot of opportunity for these graduates.
Dr. Mary, I love that we mentioned in the beginning of this segment that, you know, it's when people are graduating, they're staying here and they're working, and they're able to help their own community. So thank you so much for sharing your programs. Again, it's not too late to sign up for fall. There is where you can get your information and how you can get started on a wonderful career. Thank you, Dr. Mary.
Thank you.